welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, hoping to find you guys all well and good. And certainly if you're not, phone a friend or phone a helpline if you need someone to talk to. Don't suffer on your own. So okie doke, I've got a 60 by 30 canvas. I have lots of colours mixed up here, which I'm hoping to kind of use a fair few of them today. But without further ado, I'll get right into it. My pouring medium and how I mix my paints is in the information in the drop down box underneath this particular video. So I think everything is there. I am going to use some navy. So this is a custom navy that I just mixed myself out of phthalo blue and a good blob of black and a blob of dark green. It kind of really makes a really gorgeous dark navy colour. So I'm very happy with this colour. I just love mixing it along with my berry delicious colour. This is another one that I just love. So I'm not going to explain what I've got in mind, just in case it takes a turn, which most of my work this week has seemed to completely take an opposite turn to what I've envisaged. This is metallic black, but it kind of looks like a real metallic grey. Oh, I've got some lumpy bits. I will sort them out. I don't know what's going on there. Lumpy bits, lumpy bits. Let's see. Maybe it wasn't lumpy bits, I don't know. Maybe it was just the way the paint came out. It's all right, that's not too bad. I will go with that. I'm adding some of the phthalo blue. These are all the global paints which are available now in the US on the Capriole Shabby Chic, and now shipping to the US, so you can order your paints and everything. I use my heat gun. Oh, oops. Oh, that one went all over the floor. Oh, I've got so much paint on this floor that it wouldn't really make that much difference. Yes, the Capriole is shipping to the US now. So the US dollar is so strong against the Australian dollar. So I think that you guys win with the exchange rate, which is nice to have a win, isn't it? So this is the metallic copper. Covering the whole of my canvas again in this gorgeousness. Gorgeousness. Okie doke. So what I'm going to do is just gently tilt my canvas, just taking it nice and slow. Just take your time. There's no hurry. It's your art room, your rules, your way. It's a nice relaxing session of doing something that gives you joy. Even if you're don't consider yourself an artist, it is something that you can absolutely do and improve with time as well. So many people contacted me recently saying they never considered themselves an artist, but they've had a go at the acrylic pouring and they have found the artist that is hidden in there, because then they take off and get their own ideas and ways that they want to create their pours. So I am really happy when I hear those kind of stories, because yeah, to discover something that you never knew you even enjoyed or would enjoy is definitely a a bonus, I would think. A bonus. Especially in these times where we do need to have a lot of rest and relaxation. I am going to pour now because I know it will make this all pop, the turquoise that I have left in here. Don't want to waste one single drop of that gorgeousness. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I think I am going to, not sure whether I would like to actually swipe through that whole lot with the cards, or let me try. Let me see how I go. I did not. I'll grab my, this is the Amsterdam White with Floetrol. Just bear with me because I'm going to just try something out here. I'm going to go through it. Oh yeah. Oh, that is gorgeous. So beautiful. Alrighty, I will definitely do that. So swiping through those colours, go back from the other side to swipe some more gorgeousness into this. I did see some kind of glass art that was all made from glass art that looked like this intertwining, and I thought, oh, I could do that with the painting. No worries. And there you go. Gorgeous swipes through it. Swipe can always change because you can swipe, you know, so many different ways. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Have got quite a bit of paint on here, and I probably could have done with a lot less paint, but I did tilt a fair bit off, so the lovely lacing that's coming up again I will show you when come down close, but I'm going to give it a blast. Show you what we have. Might just want to try one thing. Where's that little bit of card? I want to dip my card in some Berry Delicious colour, just to have a look what I get with the Berry Delicious. Oh my goodness, wowzers, that is gorgeous, really lovely. So therapeutic and so enjoyable to do. So please, please give it a go. Just I'm gonna try and start off in the center. It might not be a good idea, but hopefully. I've probably got too much swiping going on, but you know, it's so enjoyable to do, why not? There you go, I'm gonna leave it at that. I've got to bring you down and have a look at these gorgeousness. It is stunning, stunning, stunning. Very happy with that. Please let me know what you think, but I'll bring you down. So here we go. Look at this. It is absolutely shimmering away because of those metallics in it and the lace, and it's kind of definitely like a 3D effect because of the background, and then putting the swipes like over the top of the background. It's just gorgeous, very shimmery. Sort of, look at that, just shimmering away. Bring it down here, the sparkle. Absolute sparkly, shimmery. Look at these. That is lovely colours together in there. These ones. Wow, wow, and double wow. Beautiful. The whole thing up, 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 up. Okay, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this one today, and be here to join me tomorrow. There will definitely be another pour tomorrow. I absolutely love this. There is so much movement. It's just actually a feeling of peace that this actual one brings over you. So there you go. I'm happy with it. I'm happy, Jen. So until tomorrow, bye for now.